Hey, would you like to learn Tai Chi? Today, I'm going to share 10 Tai Chi movements for you so you can learn and practice every day. Okay, let's start. Close your leg and strap the body. Number 1 is called Tai Chi starting form. So open your left foot, the same as your shoulder width, and leave your arm up to the shoulders level. And exhale, sink down the body with the palm down. Number 2, we call Tai Chi circle. So bring your hand together, cross your wrist, and open your arms separate. Relax shoulder and bring the hand connect together. And then we're going to do another direction. Close. Right, then we separate the hand and press down. Number 3 is called golden rooster. Stand on one foot. So close your hand and foot and lift up. Standing stable, press down. Change another side. Lift up and press down. Number 4 is called turn the body, waving arm. So lift the palm, one palm push forward, one palm move backward. At the same time, you look back. Then turn your body face to the front and push. Turn another side, bring the hand back, and then push forward. Bring the hand down. Number 5 is called grabber's tail. Then you open the arm. Let your right toes 45 degrees and close your left foot. Hold the ball. You open your step forward. Shift your weight, separate your hand. Bring your palm up. Change your palm and shift your weight back. Pull downward. Touch your wrist and turn face forward. Push forward. Cross your hands, separate. Shift your weight back, press down. And lift to the chest. Shift the weight forward, you push forward. Then you can change another side. Turn to the left side. Hold the ball. Turn face forward and step forward. Hand separate. Bring the palm up and pull downward. Hand touch the wrist and turn face forward. Shift your weight. Cross your hand. Separate. Press down and lift the palm to the chest. Push forward. Close your foot. Now number 6 is kick with right foot. So cross your hand with the knee, lift and kick. And bring down. Change another side. Cross your hand with your leg lift up. And open your arm. Kick. Okay, then number 7, you hold the fist and turn to 45 degrees. Open the step, bring the hand back, and fist strike opponent's head. Open the palm, hold the fist, and bring close to your body. Turn to another side, empty step. You step forward with your hand back and forward. Open the palm, hold the fist, and close. Then bring your hand down. Number 8 is called cloudy hand. So we open the palm with your foot. You turn your body right, move your arm to the right side. Change your palm, shift to the left, turn to the left. One more time, shift, turn right. Change your palm, shift, turn left. And then we close. Bring the hand down. Number 9 is called Tai Chi punch to build strength. And pull back, turn your lower back. Down. Number 10 is called closing form. So bring your hand, exhale, sink down, palm down, chi down. Close your left foot. Did you get it? Comment 3 to let me know.